Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to save your WhatsForm submissions directly to Google Sheets, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you'd like to work on. For this example, we'll use the contact form for Glow Up Cosmetics. Next, click on Settings and then select Integrations. Here, you'll find the option to connect your form to Google Sheets. Let's click on Connect. You'll then need to log into your Google account. Click Connect with Google. Select your account and follow the steps to accept and grant the necessary permissions. Once that's done, your WhatsForm is connected to your Google account and a new Google Sheet will be automatically created in your Google Drive. To view the Google Sheet, click on View Integration and then select Open Google Sheet. You'll notice that the Google Sheet is named after your WhatsForm, and all the form questions are listed as columns. At the start, you'll see the response ID and the submission time displayed in the GMT time zone. Following that are the questions from your form. First, we have the question asking for the customer's name. Next, the question for their email address. Then, the question for their phone number. After that, the multiple choice question about how they heard about Glow Up Cosmetics. Then the rating question. If the rating style in WhatsForm is set to stars, the response will appear here as the corresponding number of stars. Finally, there's the paragraph text input question for their message. You'll also notice an additional column called Agent. This is related to WhatsForm's routing feature, which allows you to assign responses to specific agents or team members. If routing is enabled for your form, the agent details in this column will update based on the configured settings. We'll cover the routing feature in another video. From now on, every new submission to your WhatsForm will also be stored directly in this Google Sheet. Let's test this by submitting a form as a customer whose name is Alex Peter. After clicking Submit on WhatsApp, the submission will instantly appear in your Google Sheet, just like this. Quick tip: if you ever need to temporarily disable the integration, just head back to the integrations page and toggle the switch off for Google Sheets. And that's it. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.